Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Windows itself isn't the problem. Check for updates and restart, because many launch errors clear after a reboot. Once done, run System File Checker, SFC/Scano, to repair corrupted files and follow with DISM Restore Health to fix the component store. This targets why programs refuse to start. Make sure to temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall, and then try launching the app so you can tell if security software is blocking execution. Next, dive into diagnostics. Open Event Viewer and Filter application logs to find error codes or faulting modules. This tells you why a specific binary fails. Then try launching the program as an administrator and test compatibility mode for older software. These options change permissions and API behavior. If errors persist, go to Settings Apps, choose the program and try Repair first. If repair fails, uninstall and reinstall while preserving user files when the installer offers that choice. For final fixes, update graphics and peripheral drivers from the manufacturer's site because mismatched drivers often stop games and heavy apps. If problems persist, create a new Windows user account and test the program there to determine whether your profile is corrupted. Finally, perform a clean boot to disable non-essential services and startup items, and then re-enable them one by one to isolate conflicts. If nothing works, the key troubleshooting tip is to note error codes from Event Viewer and seek targeted help with that code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.